Do you feel in charge? The house cat. Feline. Friend or foe? Their excellent night vision allows them to hunt effectively, stalking silently while you sleep. Considered one of the most stealthy predators in the animal kingdom. You will never hear them coming. Incredible speed. Balance. And reaction time. Known to be worshipped by those in advanced, ancient civilizations. There is not much out there that can make a cat submit to it. Their retractable claws are sharp and hooked to really catch onto their prey, with nasty fangs to add along to the pain. Mix all of that in with an unpredictable, explosive attitude, and you get a bagpuss that you do not want to get on the wrong side of. Remember, there's more to your furry friend than meets the eye.